Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the developer options on the Redmi Note 14. So for me, I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps applies on the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now to enable developer options, all you have to do is simply open the settings. So tap on the settings app or the icon on the home page or app drawer. And then within the settings, simply tap on About Phone. Now within the About Phone, all you have to do is simply scroll and find the OS version, and you should tap this 7 times. And once you tap it 7 times, you should see this notification. You are now a developer and you have successfully enabled developer options. Now to access the developer options, all you have to do is simply go back. So within the settings, simply scroll down and find additional settings. So tap on that. And within the additional settings, scroll down until you find developer options. So we can tap on that. And there you go. You can now access all the developer options on your Redmi Note 14. So that's basically it on how to enable developer options on the Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.